Let's look at environmental factors and what changes can be made. Behavior is functionally related to the environment. Behavior, of course, is what the student does. The environment is everything that happens before, during, and after the student's behavior. Prevention is easier than recovery. Being proactive as a teacher means noticing that a behavior occurs in one setting but not another, that a behavior occurs near one person but not another, and that the time of day really does matter. Our goal is to structure the environment so that students don't need to use inappropriate behavior to get their needs met. Some environmental factors to consider include conditions that contribute, predict, or even trigger the behavior. Things like physical setting, the social setting, the instructional strategies used, the social interactions in the classroom, the degrees of independence required, participation, and the degree of choice we provide students. Environmental factors to change include things like time. We can give more or less time, provide breaks, allow task completion in pairs, and use signals for transitions. We can also change the space. Preferential seating means the best spot for that student. It could be in front or back of the room, or even near a preferred individual. We can label areas and create distraction-free areas in our classroom. We can also adjust the materials that we use. By using manipulatives, providing visuals, creating assignment notebooks, and utilizing pictures for communication, we can positively affect student behavior. We can also consider the interactions in the classroom and change them to influence student behavior. The use of specific voice tone and words can help a student. Reminders prior to transitions, cueing of specific strategies, and the use of praise for demonstration of desired behaviors can all contribute to improving student behavior. We can also create a positive environment. We should begin by considering the following questions about our own personal expectations. What do you want your classroom to look like? How do you want your students to treat you? How do you want them to treat each other? What values do you want to communicate about being an adult and a productive member of society? How can you change your instruction to support the skill development you want to see in your students? Some classroom essentials include that classroom procedures are taught with the same level of care and attention used for academic content. Classroom procedures should be defined and practiced to ensure student understanding and success. Classroom instruction is differentiated based on student need. And classroom instruction is designed to promote optimal instructional time and maximize student engagement. Student support. Students must be actively supervised, and they must be given multiple opportunities to respond. A continuum of strategies should be employed to acknowledge appropriate behavior and should be used with high frequency, at least 4 to 1. A continuum of strategies should also be employed to respond to inappropriate behavior. These environmental factors can make a huge difference in how students behave in our classrooms. Environmental factors. What changes can you make?